Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed and welcome to the Dumgenius channel. Today I wanna draw a picture of Jerry that I found in Pinterest. Come with me. My friends, I wanna teach you how I draw this pale drawing of Jerry. Let's start it. I use a line method to draw it. Um, One line for feet and another one here. These two lines are for feet and one line here for hand and this here for another hand and one line for shoulders and neck and another one for head here and one vertical line here for symmetry. Yes, and you can use two circles here for ears, one here and another one here. Let's go for next level. Go.
Last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town. I tried to believe in God and James Dean, but Hollywood sold out. So all of the saints locked up the gates, I could not enter. I walked into the flames, called out your name, but there was no answer. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. I know my heart is a ghost town. And now I know my heart is a ghost town.
Here we go. I wanna go for next step. And now I chose these 5 colors to paint it. Let's go.
Elvis is dead, and everyone was red, and love is a satire. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town. I tried to believe in God and James Dean, but Hollywood sold out. Saw all of the saints, locked up the gates, I could not enter. I walked into the flames, called out your name, but there was no answer. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. I know my heart is a ghost town. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. Last night in my dreams, all the machines had been disconnected. Time was thrown at the wind, and all of my friends had been disaffected. And now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. Tonight, Elvis is dead, and everyone was red, and love is a satire. Now I know my heart is a ghost town.
And here's the final result. I hope you enjoy.